Okay, so we have that most of the delete button wired up. But now we need to create what's called an event. So let's do file new lightning event, and let's call this delete, or we need to prefix it to do, and then delete task. Submit. Perfect. Okay, so this event will delete a task. Save that. So now we're going to close this aura event. We want to add an attribute to this event. And we'll call this array index. Type equals integer. And let's save that. Okay. So now we need to fire this event when that button is pressed. So let's go do our to-do delete button. And in order to fire an event, our component has to be registered to do so. So what we can do is aura register event name equals delete task, and then type equals C to do delete task, and then close that, save. Okay, so now let's go to the controller. Now we need to dispatch that event. So first thing we want to do is grab the event. So we'll call this delete event $a.get and e.c colon to do delete task. And then we want to do delete event dot set param, and then we want to do array index, which is coming from is the same as that attribute array index. So when we set a parameter on an event, it's setting the attribute, and then we want to set that to array index, and this is coming from here. Okay, now we want to fire that delete event. We just do that delete event dot fire and save. Okay, so now we have everything. That event will fire once we hit the delete button.